Okay, I'm off to work. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye. Oh, when you get back, could you have a look at that crack in the wall?
Oh, call the handyman. Off to work, see ya.
Okay, don't forget about that crack in the wall.
Hire a handyman. See ya.
Crack in the wall.
Handyman.
Hey! What's with all the bags?
What happened?
Well, you weren't fixing it and we didn't really need a handyman, so I did it myself. All I had to use was Hanymate Deep Fill. It's perfect for deep cracks and simple and easy to use in just 4 steps. Step 1, clean up the crack and the surrounding area. Step 2, mix the Hanymate Deep Fill to a smooth consistency before use. If using the tube, knead the tube gently for 30 seconds in preparation. Step 3, apply a layer and wait for it to dry before applying additional layers if needed. Step 4, lightly sand it till smooth. Terraco Handymate brings fun to DIY.